Good morning, Moto Electric viewers. My name's Brett Jackerl, sales manager for Moto Electric, and I am super stoked to do this video for review for you guys. We're looking at the 4-passenger lifted Eclipse from Moto EV. This thing features all the brand new technology. We're talking AC motor, AC controller, we're talking USB outlet, we're talking all upgrades, lifted cart for a ridiculous price, ridiculous. I think you guys are gonna love this. You're gonna see that it has great value. We're gonna do a whole vehicle review on this thing, so stand by and you can give us a call at 904-247-1818 after this video. With no further ado, let's get right to it. All right, so what do you get with the lifted Eclipse? Once again, this is the 4-seater, so you're gonna get one seat that faces forward and then one seat that faces reverse. But here's the flip-flop kicker here. You can have it as a 2-seater with a nice cargo tray. So we're talking Yeti coolers, we're talking beach towels, beach chairs, whatever you guys want back here, flip it down. And then when you get 2 friends in town, you flip it up, and then they got a nice seat. Now, this cart comes with a black seat. You'll see a lot of them do get custom seats. This is a custom seat, a customer designed. You get to pick 2 colors, and we get to customize it any way you want. We've done logos in the seat, so this custom seat upgrade that you see with the gray and the blue is an upgrade. But if you don't want to go with that, it's just going to be an all black seat. You also got the nice reverse seat cup holders, which is really nice. These cup holders basically are going to go on the sides. These are an extra as well. But if you don't want it and you just want to go with the standard cart, then you're good to go there. The other thing I wanted to show you is 2 things. Has to do with the tires and the fender flares. Fender flares come with the vehicle, and then you also get a custom ring. Look at those rims. Those are no upcharge. That comes with the Eclipse. So now we're talking AC motor that's brushless that you don't have to maintain, AC controller which gives you the most efficiency in the industry right now, custom rims that come included, USB outlet, lifted cart, 25 miles an hour, VIN number, title. We got everything going on this vehicle. So once again, this is the 4-seater lifted Eclipse from Moto Electric Vehicles. This thing packs a punch. Want to show you the onboard charger and then we'll go inside the unit. All right, so real quick, wanted to talk about the onboard charger on the 4-seater Eclipse. So we have a dual pro onboard charger, which is right here, 3-year warranty, can't beat it, made right out of Tennessee. Has built-in Wi-Fi, so you guys can sit on your couch now and see, you know, what the charge state is and all that type of stuff. So super cool, but it's always on the vehicle, which is really nice. So if you guys go down to the local restaurants, go to the beach, and there's an outlet there, not only do you stay and drive out there, but you can be plugged in and continue on throughout your day. So onboard charging kind of lets you replace the vehicle, and that's the whole reason why you're getting a street legal golf cart. While I'm down here, just to talk about some of the features here, you got all brake lights, tail lights, blinkers, everything to make this thing street legal. Grab bar for the back passengers, and then we actually has a dual purpose because when you fold the flip seat, it clicks right in here. Other than that, you got pretty much all your reflectors, seat belts, everything that makes this thing street legal. And just a reminder, comes with a VIN number and title, and we pretty much do every single state. So if you're concerned, hey, is this legal in my state? We can show you in about 2 seconds if it is or isn't. But most states are legal for the 4-seater Eclipse. So with no further ado, let's take you inside, and then we'll wrap this puppy up. All right, guys, so we're inside the 4-seater lifted Eclipse from Moto EV. Just want to quickly do a review and tell you guys what's standard and what's not standard. Once again, these seats were custom done for this customer. You can pick 2 colors, but if you get a standard seat, it's just going to be all black. And that sits over, obviously, our T105 Trojan batteries, best battery in the market. And you guys can get the water system if you want through our accessory link. But just want to go over everything that comes with this vehicle. Really cool, got a great horn on this thing. Left and right blinker. Now the left and right blinker also has a display. So the speedometer cluster sits here in the middle, which is really nice. And you actually, it tells you when your blinkers are on, it tells you when your headlights are on, gives you how much fuel, battery fuel you have left, and then obviously has the speedometer and the odometer. Now, this cart's gonna go 25 miles an hour, and because we use a high-powered 4-kilowatt AC motor, it's gonna maintain that 25-mile-an-hour speed throughout the discharge of the vehicle, which is really important. There's no speed chips or, you know, altering the motor. This motor is meant for this cart. Moving on, you got a windshield wiper, which is really nice. Forward and reverse switch with a backup buzzer you can hear. You also get USB dual outlet on the new versions of the 4-seater Eclipse and the 6-seater Eclipse. You got a full DOT windshield glass, 3-piece mirror kit with another mirror on the driver mirror to give you some good exposure. Grab handles on the roof, and then the last thing I want to kind of go over is the upgraded stereo. Now this isn't standard, but this is an option that I just truly enjoy. It's Bluetooth stereo, 2 nice speakers, has all the features of connecting to your phone and saying, hey, call Brett, and it, you know, it activates to your phone. Listen to this music sound here.
Golden, crispy, round chicken nuggets.
You can see it has really good sound, and that's just powered by 2 speakers.
Candy, getting boring.
So if you guys are looking for a stereo system, this install is really nice, and I would highly suggest it. So once again, my name is Brett Jackrell, here reviewing the 4-seater Eclipse. We also have a 6-seater Eclipse we're going to do a video on later on, but you have the option. This thing has the 6-inch lift, has the 12-inch rugged tires, has the 12-inch rims that are custom, USB outlet, dual glove boxes, AC motor, all the new technology of AC motor and AC controller, brushless so you don't have to maintain it. Guys, this thing has it all, and it's all for a good price. So if you're interested, give us a call at 904-247-1818. You can reach us on 2 of our websites, www.motoev, M-O-T-O-E-V, like an electric vehicle.com, or you can reach us on our main site, which is www.motoelectricvehicles.com. We have a sales staff standing by for your order. We're looking forward to it, guys. You ain't going to get a better value than this in a lifted 4-seater cart. So we're standing by for your phone call. Looking forward to it, guys.